Hey everyone, Robert here from Aussie Gold Dog. I got a package from Live Tools today. I just got back from a week off. Reached out to us about a week or so ago and asked if we'd like to try some of their CNC bits, router bits. There's the brand there. We'll take them out and show you a little bit more later on. Or probably tomorrow. So this is what come. Got a deburrer. They come in so handy for us. We use them all the time. We're always going through them. We get some good ones, some bad ones. Yeah, we'll show that working very shortly. Over here, if we take the three, they've sent 3 out for us to try. So yeah, that'll be really great. Got some Mentos, which I love my Mentos. Now this is a good little, it's a magnet, whiteboard magnet. So we can stick that on one of our toolboxes out there. Got a marker, so we'll be able to write some of the orders on there. That'll come in for special jobs that we have. And a cat. They never go astray. I love them. Especially anyone that, helps us out. Well, then we like to show their brand while we're doing our videos and things like that. And we'll definitely do it here, seeing how they reached out to us. I'd like to say thank you very much to Live Tools. We'll come back with a video. I'll try and do one tomorrow and show some of their router bits cutting on the CNC machine. Again, thanks Live Tools, very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. Well, don't want to throw it all over the place.